How to add friends on Zynga Poker. First things first, before doing the whole process, updating the application could actually help you keep you away from bugs and crashes while playing on Zynga Poker. Now, this is an actual guest, so I'm currently logged in or playing as a guest. So even if you're playing as a guest, you can still add friends. To do so, at the lower right portion of your screen, you should be able to see a friends icon. Simply tap on that, and this is where you can see active, online, and even all. Now, for you to be able to search for a buddy or a friend, you simply use this search icon. Then you can try their name or even their IGN or endgame name. Simply add in it here, and you're good to go. And then if you would also like to share a specific referral link to one of your friends that haven't played this game, go into settings and go into referrals. And then in here, just go to refer and hit on share. You can actually share that specific link across any platforms available on your end. And that is how you add friends on Zynga Poker.